The sun is setting here in Dubai, and with this being said, welcome to a new video on my channel Exploring the World. My name is Dominik, and in today's video we will find out together what it's like to pair the Apple AirPods with your GoPro Hero 12, to use the Apple AirPods as an audio device for your GoPro Hero 12, and if the audio gets any better using this as an audio source. Connecting your AirPods to your GoPro Hero 12 is really easy. Just go into the settings of your GoPro, pair a new Bluetooth device, search for a new Bluetooth device, press the button on the backside of your AirPods, and then the GoPro will automatically find the AirPods and connect it as a new audio source. So when properly done, the GoPro will automatically use your AirPods as an audio source, and this is especially helpful when vlogging because you can hold your camera further away and the audio quality will remain good. But what does it sound like, guys? Do you like the sound coming from the AirPods? Is it any good? Is it any bad? Leave me your comments in the comment section down below. The good thing about all this is the GoPro records two audio files. One is coming from the Apple AirPods and one is coming from the microphones that are built into the GoPro. So you can choose later on which audio quality you like best and go for this option. Another nice feature is that you can also control your GoPro with the Apple AirPods. The voice control is enabled, and for example you can say GoPro stop recording, and the GoPro automatically stops recording. This feature is really helpful if you have mounted your GoPro out of reach. For example, outside of your car, you are driving the car, you want to start or stop the recording, and then you can simply use the voice controls with your Apple AirPods connected to the GoPro. But anyways, guys, that's it for today's video, and I am interested in what you think about the audio quality coming out of the Apple AirPods connected to your GoPro Hero 12. I have also made some videos with the AirPods connected to the Insta360 X3. You can check these videos out. I'm not so impressed by the quality of the Apple AirPods. I really like the quality coming from the DJI wireless microphone connected to the DJI Pocket 3 better. But what about you guys? What sound do you like best? Leave me your comments in the comment section down below, and I will be happy to see you in the next one.